This video was digitized from reel of silent 8mm film, and I believe it's of the Armed Forces Week air show in Allentown, Pennsylvania in May of 1955 at the ABE airport. And the film, the box that the film came in said Air Show 1955, and it had a return address of RD Auburn, Pennsylvania, and that's right near Allentown, and that would definitely line up with this film in this event. But yeah, just some great footage of an air show in 1955 with aircraft of the period, and hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this bit of history. Try to upload military and patriotic videos to my site here, about every other day. And if you're interested in a good read, check out my books at www.edsemler.com.